Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Troll Media signing in from an undisclosed location. I am on my way to the shooting range. The water has finally receded enough down here where I can actually get around. So we are on our way to the gun range. Gonna go sight in the 22 with the new scope on it, and plink around, have some fun. Probably run a couple hundred rounds through the 22. I got tracer rounds for the fucking 9mm. What's up, moo cows? What up, bro? What are you doing? Hell yeah. That's why I love living out here. They got all sorts of just livestock. You know, it's beautiful. I love it. There we go, guys. Viola Valley Gun Range. I really like this place. You know, it's pretty quiet. You know, it's usually never really busy. You know, you got some decent, places to kind of hunker down and shoot if it starts raining out. It's not big. There's not a lot of spots to shoot. You know, you got a gun range right here. We're like handgun range. That's cool. Got porta potties. It is run down, without a doubt. It definitely is. But, it's no big deal. Guy here shooting something pretty cool. Alrighty, guys. Seeing as that it's pretty fucking windy today, I was going for the, 125 yard shot right there. This one here is, I think, 65 yards. So I got it set up on the camera there, and got the new scope on it. Cool. Alrighty, guys. So just a quick word on that grouping on that last clip. You know, I'm not really a big fan of that Federal ammunition. That was the Federal round nose, and I'm gonna be honest, guys. I did not like it. I run 500 rounds through my gun today, and the best I was able to do was about a 2-inch grouping, and at 125 yards they were just all over the place. I mean, they're 36 grain bullets. I don't think I'm gonna do those anymore. They're 1,240 feet per second. I think I'm gonna not bother with that ammo anymore. I've had way better luck with the hollow points than I did with those Federal round noses. So alrighty, guys, gonna get some more footage in. Alrighty, guys. So, I don't know if you can see this on here, but that right there, that is a stack of quarters that I have all the way down there. And I'm going to attempt to smack them quarters with my 22 from here. So, let's get this party going. Let's see if I can't do this. I got him. No shit. Second shot. Alrighty, guys. So I did manage to nail those quarters. So I had a stack of 3 of them sitting over here, and yeah. So that's what happens when you smack quarters with the 22. That's funny. Oh, look at that fell. I also managed to pierce that. I am attempting to get the butt of this 9mm round. But alrighty, guys. And again, look at the fucking view out here. Look at what I get to live with. Man, is it fucking beautiful out here. Look at that. Well, guys, I'm about to call it quits for the day. I've run about, God, I don't know, probably close to 400 rounds through my 22, and probably about 100 through my 9mm, just messing around, shooting quarters. I nailed this quarter from about, 50 to 75 yards, whatever the hell this is right here. That's still pretty good. Got it on my second shot. This ammo here, this is a Federal round nose, just standard velocity 22, and I'm not liking how these shoot. I'm getting a lot of flyers out of these, you know. So probably 1 out of 5 rounds is usually a flyer, and I'm not really getting too good of a, you know, pattern out of them, you know. So, but I guess it is what it is. I mean, I got 500 rounds of this stuff for like fucking $28 or something from LuckyGunner.com, and you know, I got all my ammo for my 9mm from Lucky Gunner too. I get, was it like it's $80 for 500 rounds for my 9mm. You know, that's dirt cheap. You know, and that's Winchester Winchester rounds. They're government overrun, so they're government training rounds, so it's fucking government shit. It doesn't really mean much, but they're just overrun ammunition. The government didn't need it, so Winchester just sells it in bulk. You know, I buy it 500 rounds at a time. I should buy it at 1,000 rounds. Since it's so damn cheap, it's only like 13 cents a round or something, I think. I might as well buy it in the freaking 1,000 round bulk packs, and I'm thinking about getting that Ruger CP9 carbine. I don't know if that's what it is. It's a breakdown bug out kind of gun. It's a rifle. Shoots a 9mm Luger, and that's a pretty cool freaking gun right there. I don't know exactly what I would use it for, other than plinking, seeing as that's super cheap to shoot. You know, I got my 9mm that's super cheap to fuck around with. So, alrighty, guys, I'm gonna get back to plinking here, and well, that was a blast. I went through, burnt through about 500 rounds of ammo in my 22, probably, I don't know, maybe 100 in my 9mm. That was fun. I enjoy going to the range, especially on Monday, Tuesdays, during the week, anytime during the week. It's a blast, because there's usually nobody ever here. And if there's somebody here, it's, only 2, 3, maybe 4 people tops. And I get I'll go to my range, I'll go to, my own little spot, and boom, done. But again, look at how beautiful it is out here. What is it? It's 59 degrees out right now. 59 degrees. February 26th, I think. Yeah, just look at how fucking beautiful it is. Love Tennessee. Alrighty, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed watching me shoot stupid shit. And yeah, I'll get some more of these videos out. I'll get this one edited because I work so hard. Oh my god, I work so extremely hard to do these videos. It's a full-time career. Alright, guys, have yourselves a good Tuesday.